Welcome to Crypto Classroom, the #1 YouTube channel for learning about the latest trends in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. At Crypto Classroom, our main goal is to equip our audience with the knowledge needed to excel in the dynamic and fast-paced cryptocurrency landscape. In today's video, we will be discussing Veracity. We will cover its fundamentals, some of its major use cases, and why we think it can be so disruptive to the gaming and esports sector as we know it. Be sure to stick around to the end because we will be analyzing the price and sharing why we think it might be advantageous to hold at least 24,000 VRA. Without further ado, let's get into it. Veracity was launched on May 18, 2018 as a new video sharing platform aimed at providing creators and advertisers with a fair system for earning money from their work. According to Veracity's white paper, it does this through its proof of value protocol, its product layers, and lastly by its platform esportsfightclub.com, which streams esports like PUBG Mobile. The most important use case for Veracity is that this website also houses all of Veracity's products in one platform owned and controlled by Veracity. With a growing number of users, the platforms offer rewards in VRA for watching, subscribing, and winning. Now that's the basic of Veracity. You may be wondering about the problem it is trying to solve. You see, the vast majority of the $400 billion worth of online ads is viewed by bots as compared with humans. This translates to roughly $160 billion of ad money spent by brands are wasted every year. Additionally, more than 2 million video publishers struggle with the issue that brands don't want to pay much for their ads because they know that not every ad they put out is viewed by human eyes. And it's not just the advertisers that are feeling this pinch. Platforms that rely on advertising like Google and Facebook are returning substantial amounts of ad money every quarter due to ad fraud. This ugly cycle goes on with brands cutting ad spending, which in turn causes platforms like YouTube to lose a lot of money. This is where Veracity comes in with its proof of view technology, which has been recently granted a US patent, which will help solve the advertising industry's $160 billion problem as companies pay 5 to 10 times more if they believe the risk of fraud is low. So how does Veracity does it exactly? It detects and eliminates ad fraud so that it only establishes on the blockchain the views caused by actual humans. It sounds pretty simple on paper, but ask any developer and they're going to tell you that's quite a tall order. The standard practice to detect if an ad has been viewed is that analysis occurs after the content is delivered, often near the end of an advertising campaign. In other words, Veracity detects ad fraud as it happens utilizing 200 touch points and AI. Veracity can determine with very high confidence whether a bot or human is watching an ad or content based on the viewer's behavior in real time, which is quite impressive. In addition, ad fraud is detected and eliminated immediately, which saves you the trouble of waiting for post-delivery ad analysis. Aside from proof of view, it also prevents bad actors from manipulating view counts and audience metrics in multiple ways. Multiple metrics are derived from viewing the content and gathered during the evaluation phase, so as soon as the view is verified as genuine. Now onto the second part of the problem, which is accounting for valid ads. The stats are inputted to its proprietary AI, which issues a final score, and verified views are added to a publicly accessible database containing anonymized data and recorded on the blockchain. As an extra precaution, POV target markets are the brands and sponsors whose ads are being abused by fraudsters. POV is not integrated or part of the reward system. Instead, users are rewarded to increase engagement. That's how Veracity's technologies work. Let's move on to its applications. Veracity introduced Esports Fight Club and Game Store to monetize the company's technology with advertising revenue and expand the use of VRA to Veracity's cryptocurrency. Given the current economic climate, we can expect Esports Fight Club and Game Store revenues to grow quickly because these are not dependent on Google or Facebook. Gaming activities can be monetized unlike mobile apps on Android or iOS, which are prohibited from providing real-world rewards. This gives an Esports Fight Club and Game Store a unique advantage at a time when people are at home and looking to earn some extra income. Some of you may wonder why we said this would gain so much popularity so quickly. In 2018, there were over 380 million viewers of esports, and this figure grew to 557 million viewers by 2021. Worldwide, the games market generated over $120 billion in 2019, with this much revenue coming from local gaming experiences in exchange for real money. Veracity takes this to the next level by offering rewards for watching, subscribing, and winning with VRA, which makes Esports Fight Club an ideal way for Veracity to showcase its products. We now bring your attention to another Veracity product, Veracity TV, which aggregates publishers for YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, JW Player, Breadcov, Cultura, Flow Player, iVideo Smart, and publishers on other platforms who have been struggling to earn revenue. At present, advertisers are willing to spend as much money on platforms like Google and Facebook because they do not believe humans are paying attention to everything. Veracity also plans to expand its proof-of-view technology and storage capabilities to non-fungible tokens. The on-chain verification provided by Veracity adds value to NFTs and increases ownership authenticity. So now for those who are looking for something to invest in, we finally come to the fun part. Holding at least 24,000 tokens, and by following closely to its tokenomics, there is a total maximum supply of 10 billion VRA tokens, out of which 4.4 to 7 billion is currently in circulation, and it's equipped with a unique burn mechanism that allows the foundation to repurchase VRA tokens to maintain stability and consolidate value. So the big question is, can VRA hit $1? As many projects are built on Ethereum and VRA is an ERC20 token, its price may reach new highs as the Ethereum network continues to expand. According to the developers, the project's market cap will need to increase by about 800 million before it reaches $1, and we deduce this is not totality impossible given the series of updates and features planned for the future. At the time of this video, Veracity is trading at around $0.02088 US, and its 24 trading volume on exchanges is around $65 million. It is also worth noting that it is 75% away from the all-time high of $0.08 US it set on November 1, 2021. Therefore, buyers investing in the token now would be acquiring it at a significant discount. Many experts believe that the esports industry has the potential to be valued in excess of $3 billion by 2024. To put it simply, anything that even has a narrow overlap with the world of online gaming has a lot of potential, with Veracity enabling esports and the video entertainment industry to stream on its platform. With the VRA token being used in online gaming, this token has good chances of breaking through the 10-cent mark and even exceeding $1 in the near future. By our calculations, we predict that it grows by a factor of 4 by 2023, a factor of 10 by 2025, and 35 times by 2030. What do you think? Do you think Veracity has what it takes to disrupt the esports and gaming industry? Do you think that they will be able to maintain its first mover advantage? Are you holding VRA? We would love to hear your thoughts. Please feel free to drop a comment below. Before we end this video, just a little reminder that this is not financial advice, and how you choose to spend your money is entirely up to you. Please always remember to do your own research. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, click that subscribe button, and smash that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next videos. See you next time!